How are you, learners? Welcome to today's lesson. We are continuing with the counting of numbers backwards in twos. In our last lesson, we did examples here on the board. Then I gave you assignment. Did you do the assignment? In our today's lesson, we are going to answer the 4 questions. So, learners, welcome to our today's lesson. Counting backwards in twos. The lesson is counting backwards in twos. Starting from the first question, learners, count backwards in twos from A, 79 to 61. From 79 to 61. A, from 79 to 61. So before we count backwards, we want to put down the numbers from 61 to 79. We are going to count forward first in ones from 61. You have 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, then 79. 79. These are numbers from 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, and 79. So we want to count backwards from 79 to 61 in twos. In twos. So we start at 79, we count backwards. So the first number will be 79 because you are counting from 79. We go back 2 times. We have 1, 2. After 79, we have 79, 78, then 77. So we write 77. So we go to 77 and go back 1, 2. We arrive at 75. So we come here and write 75. 75. Then 1, 2. The next number is 73. After 73, 1, 2, 2 times in twos. We are counting in twos. After 73, we have 71. So we write 71. Then learners, 1, 2. Which number is this? This is 69. So I write 69. 69. After 69, we count 1, 2. This number is 67. 67. Then 1, 2. This is number 65. I write 65. After 65, we have 1, 2. Which number is this? This is 63. Come here and write 63. Then at 63, we go back 2 times. 1, 2. So the last number is 61. 61. So what have we done? We have counted backwards in twos from 79 to 61. From 79 backwards in twos to 61. Did you get the answer correct? If you got it correct, give yourself a mark. If you did not get it correct, please see where you went wrong and make the correction. Let's move on to B. You want to count backwards in twos from 93 to 81. From 93 to 81. So I'm going to rub here. From 93 to 81. B. From, we are counting from intus from 93 to 81. 93 to 81. 93 to 81. 93 to 81. So we're going to write first in ones moving forward, starting from 81, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, and lastly 93. 93. We are going to count from 93. This is 93 to 81 to 81 in twos backwards. So we begin at 93. So I'm going to write down here 93, learners, 93, going backwards 2 times, 1, 2. That number is 91. Then we come at 91, 1, 2. This number is 89. Write 89. At 89, 1, 2. This is number is 87. 87. At 87, we move 1, 2. 85, we write 85. Then at 85, we move 1, 2. Which number is this? This is 83. We write down 83. Then lastly, 1, 2. So the last number here is 81. Counting backwards in twos from 93 to 81, the answer is 93, 91, 89, 87, 85, 83, 81. Did you get the answer? If you got the answer, tick correct. We will now answer part C. C, count backwards in twos from 127 to 113. 127 to 113. C, counting from 127 to 113. 127 to 113. So we first put down the numbers from 113 to 127. We start with 113, 114, 115, 116, 117, 118, 119, 120, 121, 122, 123, 124, 125, 126, 127. You want to count backwards from 127 going back in twos up to 113. 113. So we begin at 127. 127. Go back 2 times. 1, 2. We arrive at 125. So we write 125. Next, 1, 2. The number here is 123. We write 123. Next, 1, 2. This number is 121. We write 121. Next, 1, 2. This number is 119. We write 119. Next, learners, don't sleep, please. Learners, I want you to pay attention. After 119, you have 1, 2. This one is number 117. 117. After 117, we move backwards 2 times. 1, 2. We arrive at 115. 115. Then lastly, 1, 2. The last number here is 113. 113. So this is the answer. What have we done? We have counted backwards in twos from 127 to 113, and the answer is 127, 125, 123, 121, 119, 117, 115, 113. Is that the answer you got? If you got the answer, you give yourself a mark. That is part C. Learners, we are practicing. Practicing to do what? To count backwards in twos. Let us do the last one, counting backwards in twos from 223 to 213. 223 to 213. 223 to 213. 223 to 213. D, counting from 223 to 213. 213. We begin to write from 213 up to 223 in ones. Forward in ones. So we have 213, 214, 215, 216, 217, 218, 219, 220, 221, 222, then 223. So the number we are starting from is 223. We want to count backwards in twos. We begin at 223. 223. We move backwards 2 times. 1, 2. This number is 221. 221. Next we have 1, 2. What is this number? This number is 219. We write 219. Next, learners, we move 2 times. 1, 2. What number is this? This number is 217. 217. Going back again, learners, 2 times. 1, 2. Which number is this? This number is 215. 215. Then lastly, 1, 2. The last number is 213. 213. We have counted backwards in twos from 223 to 213. From 223 backwards in twos to 213, and the answer is 223, 221, 219, 217, 215, and 213. Learners, that will mark the end of today's lesson. I'll give you more exercises so that you can do the exercises at home. Learners, count backwards in twos, starting from A, 257 to 243, B, 321 to 307, C, 411 to 389, D, 517 to 497. That is your today's assignment. Make sure the assignment is done before you come to our next lesson. Bye-bye.
Thank you for choosing to study with us. For more information, you can call us on 0724 173845.